Hey y'all, this is Vanity. So I am coming to you with an unboxing of some hair that I will be reviewing, and it is from a company by the name of DSOAR. I just got my package in the mail via DHL. No, via UPS. Okay, and I have reviewed for this company already, so I will leave the link to that video down in the bottom bar for you, just in case you want to check it out. I think I reviewed their body wave. So here is the packaging. Okay, and I'm just gonna open it up. Okay, immediately when you open it up, I see some eyelashes, and it is some MAC eyelashes. It is not real MAC, it just says MAC on there. I know MAC's packaging, and this definitely isn't their packaging. However, they do include a pair of free eyelashes. All right, so inside they included the name of their website, the link to their website, as well as the hair I will be reviewing. So I will be reviewing their Brazilian Pretty Curly Virgin hair, and I have 3 bundles in a frontal. Okay, so the frontal is a 4x13 frontal, which means it's 13 inches across, and then it's 4 inches of parting space right here. Okay, so my bundle lengths are 26, 24, 22, and my frontal length is 20 inches. Okay, here is a look at the packaging, how everything is packaged very nicely. So I'm gonna take everything out of the packaging really quick, and then I will be right back. So when I took it out of the packaging, they all have individual hair nets on them. So really quick, I'm gonna take the hair nets off. Okay, so this is what the hair looks like outside of the packaging, and as you can see, frontal is a little bit shinier than the bundles. However, the curl pattern on the hair is exactly the same. So here is a close-up of the wefts, and as you can see, you get a pretty good amount of hair, even though these are the longer inches. I just want to show you the ends of the hair. So here is a look at the ends of the hair, which seem to be healthy. There's nothing wrong with it. It's a little frizzy, and that's probably due to packaging. I definitely could tell that the ends were snipped. So yeah, once I wash it, everything should be good. So here is a close-up of the wefts, and I can already see that the hair is double wefted, which means you could split the tracks if you would like, but they are thin already, so I definitely can tell I will not need to do that. I could definitely, these wefts would be easy for you to do the flip over method because it is so flat. So that is a good thing. So I didn't notice any tangling as I was unraveling the bundle. This is the bundle folded in half. So this is about a little longer than arm's length. So that means that you are getting a lot of hair. And I did choose to open the longest bundle. So this bundle is 26 inches. So you get a lot of wefting. Okay, so you get a lot of hair. A good amount, very, very good amount. So they don't skimp you on that. The hair looks a little frizzy, but that's because my fingers kept getting caught on it, my nails. But once I wash it, these curls are going to pop, I promise. So everything looks good on this bundle. Let's take a look at the frontal up close. So this is what the frontal looks like, and as you can see, it has a lot of like dips and grooves on the hairline. And the hair, it looks really, really pretty. I love that it doesn't go straight curly from the root. It has just a little bit of wiggle room where you can like lay it over, and it's gonna lay very, very nicely, or you know, you can part it. But this is something I would definitely probably do either a middle part or not too far down, but a side part like right off center. You can also flip it over. So as you can see, the curls are very defined on the frontal. So I'm going to turn it around. The lace seems to be very thin, which is a good thing. It should melt right into your scalp and look, you know, believable. I really don't like the dips and curves in this frontal because it's so far back and defined. But hopefully once I start playing around with it and plucking it, it looks good when I apply it to my head. And I will be making a wig for the second time and customizing for the second time. So this is my first time doing it with curly hair, and I'm very excited to see how it comes out. But I do want to play with frontals more, so yeah, you're gonna see more frontals on my channel. So before I go, I did want to mention a sale that they are having, just in case you wanted to check out this hair or the body wave hair. But they are having a huge Valentine's Day sale from February 1st through February 15th, and you will get up to 12% off plus an extra $25 off and a free gift. So if you spend $109, you can get $5 off using the coupon code V5. If you spend $149, you can use the coupon code V7 and get $7 off. If you spend $229, you can use the coupon code V15 and get $15 off. And if you spend $329, you can use the coupon code V25 to get $25 off. Okay, they will have 12% off of all of their hair extensions. Okay, so if you get 3 pieces or 4 pieces of hair bundles and a closure, you can get 10% off. Or if you get 3 to 4 bundles without the closure or frontal, you can still get 10% off. All orders will come with 1 pair of free eyelashes. I will have all this information as well as all of the coupon codes down in the bottom bar for you, as well as the links to this hair and the link to the last hair that I reviewed for them, because that hair was absolutely gorgeous. So just in case you want to check it out, they used to be an AliExpress company, but now they have their own site. The hair is still very, very affordable. So yes, you should have no issues getting it, especially because it's tax season. So I know you're looking for hair to get, and you know, even if you don't want to splurge on hair, this is a great option because they are very affordable. Okay, so you will be saving money even if you have money to blow. Okay, so I will have the links to DSOAR Hair. All this information for you will be in the bottom bar because I know it was a lot. Coupon codes as well as links. So I thank you so much for watching. If you've gotten this far, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you are already subscribed, please don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're notified whenever I have a new upload. I thank you so much for watching, and I will speak to you in my next video. Bye, y'all.